Hey, what's up everyone, I'm SUBSRIBE and welcome you to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how you can enhance the performance of your Premiere Pro CC software just by clearing the media cache. So clearing the media cache will delete all the unnecessary files or memories that have been stored while you were editing a video on a Premiere Pro CC. So here are we in Adobe Premiere Pro, and as you can see I am working on a project. Now how you can delete the cache file, it's really very easy. All you have to do is just come to the edit and come to the preferences. Now as you can see, here are many options. You just have to click on any one of them, it doesn't matter, because ultimately a preferences dialog box is going to open where it displays all the same options that we just saw. Now all you have to go is you have to come to this media option, and here you would see media cache database. A location is given and browse and clean options are given. Now what you have to do is just click on this clean option and it will delete the media cache database. Now clearing the media cache, it does not delete or remove any of the file that you have on your project and you are working. It's just that Premiere Pro creates this media cache files every time you are working to enhance the performance of the software, but it is advisable to clean this media cache after your project is completed. So that's how you do it. Click on OK. That's it. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you have found this video helpful. Now if you did, don't forget to leave one of these below the video. Do comment, share with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel because it means a world to me. And I'll be meeting you on my next video. Till then, bye, take care.